Hi everyone, my name is Norm. I'm from Eurostar Windows. I wanted to demonstrate to you guys what a tilt and turn window is. We have a few different models. This is our Elite Trocal 88 series windows. These are passive home rated windows for high energy performance for an actual window. Tilt and turn windows, these particular ones are made out of PVC, where everything is welded, all four corners, and they're also steel reinforced. They have a sash reinforcement and frame reinforcement complete all the way around. What that does basically, it ensures that the window remains perfectly square, and after everything is installed, it also ensures that none of the hardware will ever get loose because all the hardware is screwed in to the metal reinforcement inside with self-drilling screws. And as you can see, we use all metal reinforcement all the way around, and the hardware is stainless steel and all the screws go through it. Same on the frame. The way this window normally functions is you tilt it in from the top. It allows fresh air to come in from the outside, from the left, from the right, and allows the hot air to escape from the top. For normal day-to-day ventilation, this is the best way to work the tilt and turn window. And for cleaning purposes, you can also open it up so you can actually wash the window just like a door. The window comes with a consecutive seal all the way around the sash, and that's an overlapping sash, so the sash overlaps the frame, so you get a very good quality seal all the way around. As well as you have a center fin inside the frame that seals around the sash, and an exterior gasket as well all the way around. So this particular one has, I believe it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 locking points, and it has 3 compression seals. The screen is on the outside. The screen is made out of a fiberglass mesh, and the window basically locks like so. And that's a Eurostar Trocal 88 tilt and turn window.